We want to know how we can locate the image when given the object. So this is the object here. This is the object. When the object has been placed between F and 2F, how do we locate the image? Now, in the previous video, we have said that we'll be following these two rules here to locate the image. So how do we locate the image now? So we follow the first rule. We are going to draw a ray that is going to be parallel to the principal axis, and that ray will move from the top of the object there like that. So we're going to draw a ray on top of the object and make it parallel to the principal axis. So when we make the ray parallel to the principal axis, according to the first rule, we say that rays that are parallel to the principal axis are refracted through F. So this ray is going to be refracted through F, which is the focal point, like that. Okay? It is going to be refracted like that through F. So we've used one rule. So the image has to be somewhere, has to be formed somewhere this side, but we don't know yet. So we go with the second rule here, where we said rays passing through C, which is the center here, continue in a straight line. So what are we going to do? We are going to get another ray and then pass it through C, which is the center here. Okay, the ray is going to pass through C, which is the center. Now rays passing through C continue in a straight line, and as you can see, this ray will continue in a straight line. So here where they meet here, it means that this is where the image is going to be formed. So this is where the image will be formed. So the image will be here. So this will be the image. This becomes the image. So what are the characteristics of the image formed? So the characteristics of the image that has been formed, you can say number one, the image is also between F and 2F. It is between F and 2F. The image is inverted, meaning it is upside down. The image is real. I think it's the same size as the object. Yeah, so the image is the same size as the object. Yeah, I think so, from what I can see. So those could be the characteristics of the image formed. It is inverted, it is between F and 2F, it is a real image, it is the same size as the object. Okay, what happens? Let's look at the image when given the object at F, at 2F. So we have 2F somewhere there. You will forgive my drawing. Yeah. So we have 2F somewhere there. And so how do we locate the image? As usual, we do the same thing. We draw a ray parallel to the principal axis. So the ray is going to be parallel to the principal axis like that. It's going to pass through the top of the object there. This is the object. So this is the ray. Immediately it reaches here. What does it do? It bends. It refracts through F there like that. So it is going to refract through F, following rule number one, of course. So the ray will refract through F like that. Okay. The second rule, the ray or rays passing through C, which is the center, continue in a straight line. So the other ray will have to pass through the center there. It will pass through the center, of course, from the top of the object, passing through the center there, like that. Bam. And so, as you can see, the object will be formed somewhere there. The image will be formed here. So this is where the image is going to be formed. What are the characteristics of the image from what we can see? Number one, Of course, it is inverted, it is upside down, it is a real image, but then I think the object is bigger than the image, so you're going to say it is smaller than the object. It is between f and 2f. Yeah. Now my drawings are not so accurate. This is not drawn to scale. Yeah, but where you have something drawn to scale, please ensure that you write things that you're going to be seeing, and not just writing from memorization. Okay, but from what we can see here, the image is smaller than the object. The image is between f and 2f. The image is inverted, and it is a real image.